Hey guys, I'm standing here in one of my nine farmhouse bedrooms that I have in this house. Yes, that's why we're becoming a country inn. So this is a 1700s farmhouse in New England, and it's just gorgeous. And I've decorated for fall, and I'm just loving it. So I've decorated the whole house. Unfortunately, I cannot show it all to you in one video because the video would be way too long. You'd have to get movies and, it's like a movie with popcorn. So I've decided to break it up into little parts, and this is one of the bedrooms that I'm going to show you right now. So stay tuned. If you want to see the rest, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any other fall tour videos coming out in 2019. Thanks. All right, let's start with this barn that I got in clearance at Target for $17. I saw it on someone else's thumbnail and wanted it, and then I walked right into it like an hour later. So I've got these really cute bottles that I picked up at Michael's on clearance, and I also got that sunflower plant at Michael's on clearance, and I'm just loving this little vignette. It's totally fall, totally working for me. It's on a thrifted sideboard that has made its way into about a whole bunch of rooms in my house by now, but it's working right now in the bedroom. Looking over here at this nice queen bed, I got that blanket at Ocean State Job Lot and that comforter set at TJ Maxx. Really loving it. Very nice. Goes really well with the curtains that I got at Home Goods, and that chair that I thrifted, and the lamp that I got at Target. Over on this side of the wall, I have a little vignette of pumpkins and lavender. That farmer's market container is last year's Michael's, and the pumpkins are from Michael's and Target, sitting on one of those electric heaters, which is very necessary for that room in the winter. And check out this mural that the former owner painted of Sturbridge Village. Super fun, super fall-like, and really just makes the room, makes it a special place to be. But I love the pumpkin sitting against it. It makes you feel like you're kind of out in nature. Really, really cool. This room is attached to a bathroom, and this is my cool, super cool farmhouse bathroom. We took a closet out of that at one point and shiplapped the wall, painted it all white, and took this old 1960s bathtub out and replaced it with a stock tank tub, which is the best tub you ever want in your life because it stays warm. Your water can go around your neck. It's just really super wonderful. It's only a 4-foot wide one, so you don't need to waste a lot of water in it. I found this great shelving unit in Michigan. I've filled it with pumpkins from Target and some of the nice essentials that we use. That picture is from my grandpa that he painted, and then that is from Michael's from last year. And I'm loving how this looks all together. I picked up that shower rod, curtain rod on Amazon, and also the shower curtains. This is a really super great bathroom. I love this bathroom, especially in the winter.